Lake Flato Architects designed the Hotel San Jose in Austin, Texas. The 1930s motor hotel was transformed in 2000 to a modern boutique hotel. The South Congress neighborhood includes a diverse group of shops, restaurants, and bars that give the area its unique character. The design of the hotel preserves the funky character of the old motor hotel while providing modern amenities. The parking areas were combined, creating a garden courtyard with outdoor seating and a pool. Have a drink in the courtyard or grab a coffee and breakfast at Joe's next to the hotel and enjoy your visit to South Congress.